here actually to help farmers to answer technical questions. I had a lot of discussions here already, and this is what I'm doing.
A good thing to us.
Call me Fridaus here, and I'm back. Today we are diving deep into the heart of agriculture at one of the most exciting expos of the year.
We are part of Uganda, and this trade fair is part of Uganda.
We start for small scale, semi-automated. That means when they have less than 10,000 birds.
I'm here at the Agro FoodPack International Trade Exhibition.
Mainly for the youth and women and the people of right now, we are looking for proper financing.
Here, exhibitors from 18 plus countries gather to showcase the latest technologies boosting production, from veterinary meds to poultry machinery and livestock packaging materials. Explore the best in agriculture.
As such, we have all range of veterinary, poultry and agrochemicals products.
My factory is called by New Sunbed Pharmaceutical. I think it is necessary to go such of the exhibition.
Discover premium poultry breeds, quality farming equipment, and innovative solutions like dry seeds. Join us as we witness how these innovations are transforming farming, empowering farmers, and ensuring abundant food production. Come with me, we find out more about this expo. Agro FoodPack International Trade Exhibition. Right beside me is the person behind this amazing exhibition. It's not like your other bustling trade fairs. This is quite a different one because it involves a lot of countries, a lot of exhibitors from all around the world, the whole of East Africa, the whole of Africa. He's just going to walk us through the entire exhibition, what inspired him to start this exhibition, what exciting things are happening, and how does this expo benefit the person who is in poultry and in agriculture as a whole. You're welcome to my channel.
Thank you, Ms. Firdaus. My name is Mohammed Mudassir, basically, and I am the Managing Director of MXM Exhibition. We are having offices in UAE, Pakistan, and we have got some representatives in other countries too. So we started our journey back in 2016 from our first exhibition in Tanzania, Agro Poultry, and then we moved to Kenya. And after a few years of the successful exhibition over there, then we plan to extend our exhibition network to other parts of the East African countries. So then we decided to start our agro poultry exhibition, which is also called Agro FoodPack. Back into 2022, our first edition was, and from there we started our journey in Uganda. So this is our third edition happening at Uma Fairs ground. The exhibition is supported by Uganda Manufacturer Association and also the Kenya Chamber of Commerce.
My name is Ashley Kibor from Kenya. I am here to represent Ninia honey, which is organic honey, and we also have stingless bee honey. If you can see here, the way it's not viscous, and we have this one here, which is the organormal African bees. This one are European bees. That is why the honey, the bees are very dear. That's why it's dark, and the bees are very small, not as the African bees, which are bigger in size. So also here we have honeycombs, as you can see. There are people who prefer to just chew the honeycombs to get the taste of the honey than just taking it directly, because there are others that feel like no, they feel like the honey is too much. So we are here in Uganda, Kampala, because we want to come and explore the market here, and because there are so many farmers here in Uganda, and we thought that it is wise that we start also our business here in Kampala, and so that we can offer our services. Some of the services we offer is like farmers training. We also have products. I don't know if you can see them here. These are some of the products that we have, the extractors, to the queen rearing, the queen excluder, to the gears, and so on and so on. We even supply beehives. So the reason why we are here is because we know that there is a gap in between here for the farmers training, and also those that need a supply of beehives, but because they do not have the proper financing, we are there for them. We can finance them with the beehives, and when they start doing the harvesting process, we can get the honey from them like a ready market for them. They do not have to struggle and harvest their honey and try to look for where am I going to sell my honey, but we will be there for them to take it at a wholesale price, and we will also be there to train them if they want to also do their own business labeling and what we guide them through, also tell them through the risks, the benefits.
Why would someone venture into beekeeping as a business?
Mainly for the youth and women and the people of right now, we are looking for proper financing, how we can generate extra revenue for ourselves, for our lifestyle, for our upkeeps, and we always target the women and the youth because and the people and the vulnerable people like the PWDs, because these are people of the society that are very important, but because of poor lack of job opportunities, they can learn how to create opportunities for them through using the skills. And also, the bees are there for us as the humans. So they're the ones doing the work, but we are the ones taking care of them as they do their job, and also making sure that they are healthy, because bees do get sick. Yeah, they do get sick. They even have some insects that infest them. That is why we also have the bee medicine and the fodder to help the farmer know that there's this issue. What can I do? Why am I not having enough produce? Why am I not having enough harvest? Like someone came and told me, I've stayed for 9 months without harvesting, and the harvest should be between 2 to 4 months for a proper harvest. So in a year, a farmer should harvest like 3 to 4 times, and one hive can give you like around 20 liters, whether 20 liters or 30 kilos of honey. And from that, you can generate so much. It will be cumbersome at first to start because you'll need finance, but then in the long run, you get the proper money, like your feedback. You'll also be happy. Actually, if you come and start beekeeping with us, you won't go back.
So my name is Viola Holek. I work for Lohmann Breeders. Lohmann Breeders is a breeding company in Germany, and we are supplying hatcheries, breeder farms with our breed, with our parent stock. The breed here in Uganda is Lohmann Brown Classic, and the farm who is keeping our parent stock here is Quantum Food. So if you go to Quantum Food and you buy layer chicks, they come from Lohmann. And our breeds are bred for a very high resistance to heat stress, to diseases. They produce very nice sized egg and very dark brown eggs. So I had a lot of farmers coming here. They're all very happy with the results. And I'm here actually to help farmers to answer technical questions. I had a lot of discussions here already, and this is what I'm doing.
So what is the commonest question they are asking?
How do I get the best performance? How do I have the highest number of eggs? What do I do when I have this or that problem? There were people who come, they had cannibalism problem, others had disease problems. So I'm trying to help them and give them advices and a management guide what to do better with their breed.
So how can they reach you in case you're not here?
We have a website, Lohmann Breeder website. It's LOHMANN and then /breeders. When you put this into Google, you will come to the Lohmann Breeder website. Here you can contact us. There's a contact, and you can also download a lot of management guides from there, which give you a lot of information about how to keep and manage layers.
So how is your experience here at this trade fair?
The trade fair, I have to say, I had expected a few more people to come, but I had very good discussion. So let's see. It's not over yet. We are half time.
Can you tell us what exciting things are happening in this year's exhibition?
Yeah, we are quite happy to be here because we have seen a lot of change over here, and we have brought good potential exhibitors over here with the new products, especially from the irrigation. Poultry segment. Then we have got the agro processing and food processing segment. We have got animal feed companies, milling, grains, and plastics packaging as well. So these all are the new products almost. So people they are coming over here. They are meeting with the companies over here. The companies from around 18 countries they are participating. So it's good to be here, and also it is getting a new. We are getting to learn new things about Uganda this time.
It's raining, and we are just lucky that the exhibition is going on inside the tent, so we haven't been affected at all.
We are Sunbed Bioscience. Sunbed Bioscience is a Euro-based company. which has its own manufacturing unit at Cyprus. We have other manufacturing units also in Serbia and Spain. We manufacture disinfectants from Spain and all anticoccidials and all feed supplements and feed additives from the Cyprus, and also the antibiotic and hormones from the Serbia. So as such, we have all range of veterinary, poultry, piggery and agrochemicals products. So we have all range starting from veterinary, poultry as I told you, and we have all kind of feed supplements as well. So Sunbed Bioscience have comprehensive solutions of all animal healthcare solutions and farm products.
I'm here on behalf of Alps Industries Services International. We are a company which has been working in Uganda and Africa at large for over 30 years. We deal in processing, packaging, storage of equipment in liquid products, that is dairy processing, water, juice, milk, sodas and beers. We have a lot of customers within Uganda and other African countries. We give you a complete turnkey project if you want a plant for any of the two, milk, water, soda, juice or any other beer. We give you a complete plant from the initiation point to the final packaging. All our equipment are new equipment and we only make them on order. We don't keep them in stock. We have a website, alps-is.com. You can visit our website. Then you tell us your requirement in terms of capacity, production per hour or per day, the type of packaging you need. Then after we shall give you a quotation meeting all your requirements. Then we discuss the payment terms and we start delivering. After delivering, we give you the equipment, we install them for you, we do the training of people. After sales service, we keep looking after you, helping you to make your machines continue running.
I'm coming from China. My factory is Hebei New Sunbed Pharmaceutical. And we came here for this agri exhibition, and we find our agent here. Many people coming, and we hope to enlarge the market in this Uganda. I think it is necessary to go such of the exhibition, because if from China they come here, they will know many friends, they will meet many clients. It is very good. My company is doing the pharmaceutical products for animals, and full line production line, we have more than 10 lines, and we supply African market in more than 35 countries. And my factory have 29 years history, have more experience production.
My name is Melton Moriaso, Director from the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce, Kajiado County. We came to Uganda to market our company. The Chamber of Commerce main purpose is to link the traders to the local markets, international, to help them sell their products. So the exhibition helps us selling our name. We link the traders, we link them to their market in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda as well, and also outside the Eastern African market. It's a great platform for us. If we get members, they buy our membership. From our membership, they'll get the benefits of going to the outer market found in our database. They get promotions from other people in other countries, so it's a good thing to us and to the people, the locals of Uganda as well.
Yeah, I am the representative from Hellmann Poultry. We are a company from Germany, and we are selling poultry production for egg production for layer hens, all the complete systems and turnkey projects, all about that. So we are in Uganda since 10 years roughly, and having more and more sold equipment here. So we come here the first time for this exhibition and hope to find more customers. Here we have different systems. We start for small scale, semi-automated. That means when they have less than 10,000 birds, it will be more easy to start smaller, and then you can grow with our system to make it step by step more automated until everything is fully automated by the time.
So it's been about innovations, new technologies. Most of the Ugandans, we are scared of change. One of the most burning questions that most attendees have asked the exhibitors is it okay? Is it really safe? Is it really beneficial? And the answer has been yes. Let's embrace this change. Let's embrace innovation in farming. Let's embrace technology so that we can increase our production. And that wraps up our today's exhibition. It's been so informative. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Consider leaving me a like. It means a lot to me. I love you. Bye.